If you've ever jumped into Escape from Tarkov and immediately regretted it, you're not alone. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your help of the latest tech and gaming news. Escape from Tarkov punishes mistakes, rewards patience, and demands strategy. But with the right tips, even newbies can start dominating. First, map knowledge is king. Learn every spawn point, stash, extraction, and choke point. Knowing your terrain lets you kill enemies, throw off components, and sneak off with loot intact. Combine that with slowing down and listening to every audio cue. Every rustle, footstep, and container sound can save your life. Scavs are your secret weapon. Play as a scav for risk-free loot and to level up without losing your main gear. Keep scav karma high, avoid unnecessary fights, and extract safely for free gear that boosts your PMC. Gear and ammo matter. Armor and ammo aren't cosmetic, they're life or death. Choose high penetration rounds, replace armor plates only when needed, and know how medical items and stims work. Quick heals can turn near-death encounters into victories. Upgrade your hideout and traders. Make ammo, earn passive income, and unlock better items while leveling traders to gain access to top-tier gear. Other pro tips? Do insurance fraud to reclaim gear, leg shots to slow enemies, weapon presets for fast loadouts, and custom keybinds to shave precious seconds off reaction times. Tarkov isn't forgiving, but with strategy, patience, and a few tricks, you can turn the nightmare into a calculated hunt and emerge victorious in the most hardcore extraction shooter out there. For more updates, like this video, comment what you think about this, and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.